Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an important option that restricts the creation of new branches. To enable this setting, open Logic Admin and navigate to Global Settings. Under the Other Settings section, check the option labeled Do Not Allow New Branch Creation. Once selected, save the settings and restart the software to apply the changes. Now, let's see how this setting works. Go to the Setup Branch window, where the list of existing branches will appear. Try to create a new branch by entering the branch name and short name, then save the entry. You will notice that the details entered are automatically removed, and the branch is not created because of the enabled restriction.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.